All right, this is where the power of the magic comes in. The air compressor. What we got was the Oasis XDM 4000. It's like a continuous duty air compressor. You can build up to 200 pounds of pressure with this bad boy. It does come with a switch on the outside to turn it on and off. Won't be using that, however, because I have a bed lid, and I'm not going to be opening the bed lid and open up the trunk toolbox lid to turn it on and off. So it does come with a control wire, which is hooked up to the switch inside the cab. I'm going to leave a link at the bottom of this description. Maybe I can get you a little discount on it. It does take a little extra amperage, so I went ahead and added an extra battery. And there's the water methanol bottle. I had it outside in the bed, so I went ahead and put it inside to make it look conformed. So it looked like I know what I'm doing. So this isn't just going to be for the air starter now, because the air starter don't need that much air pressure to get the truck going. This is going to be set up for my K5 train horns as well. Should make him sing for about 2 miles away, and that should be fun. All right, this is this phase. Let's go to the next phase. One air tank in the rear where the train horns are. Got that 1-inch valve, and we got a 150-pound pressure release valve there. Quick release air out here. Go to the next one. All right, this is the passenger side tank. Also got a hookup for a hose in case we need to air up something. Got the quick release air valve there. And this one's on the driver's side. Got the meter so we can check out how many pounds of pressure we got in there.